Assalamualaikum, grade 5, chapter number 9, formatting and editing in MS Word 2010. Grade 5, today our topic is how to highlight the text. Highlighting means to make a part of the text in special or different colors like this. It is used to draw the reader's attention toward some important points or text mentioned in paragraph. To highlight a text, follow the given step. Select the text you want to highlight. Then click the home button on the ribbon. When you click this button, font group appears on your screen, and then click this button. When you click this button, a palette or color palette appears on your screen. Select the color according to your selection. The selected color displays the selected text, and your selected text gets highlighted. Undo and redo commands. Undo command is used to cancel the effect of the previously given command. To undo, click the undo button, this one, on the quick access toolbar at the left side of your document. If you cancel this selected text, then after selecting this text, click this button, and the result is this. The selected text is cancelled from your document. And similarly, redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command. Our next topic is format painter command. Format painter command is used to copy the font style of the selected text into other text. For this purpose, first of all, select the text from where you want to copy the font style. Then click Home tab on the ribbon. When you click this button, click Clipboard group, and from Clipboard group, click this button. This button is known as Format Painter button. Now, select the text on which you want to apply. And left click mouse button. The selected text appears according to your selection. To finish this work, click the escape button from the keyboard. How to apply page border? Page border command is used to insert line or border around the text in a page like this. And you can apply different types of border to your page. To apply page, follow the given step. First step is click Page Layout tab on the ribbon. When you click this button, this ribbon will appear on your computer screen. From Page Background group, click Page Borders. And when you click this button, this page will appear on your screen. Select the border style. After selecting the border style, click OK button, and the selected border style appears on your document according to your selection.